Them just rescue one baby inside one burning building. This one they happen inside South Africa. All of them know the wahala where they will happen inside South Africa. Say they arrest their ex-president. People come begin riots. Now on top of this one, then these people where they riot, I don't know who send the message. They can't carry fire. Light match, I don't know what they even use. They go burn this building. And not forgetting, say, people there inside this building, where did they burn? Now again, now God to make people there before they can't even rescue them, these children and these people. And now the people go just they act on, I don't know, be a negligence. Forgetting, say, this is what they do, it they affect innocent people. But my people beg, make now watch this video.
But some pause, and I was like, yo, can't go back, go to Mrs. Zagal. Was on the Ndombazane and Gangam Temple because of a to Bashanga, about the Baba Ningam post because when together after saying him that the Lilling a Bambi can't go to yo, Bam.
To me, this thing don't turn brutal. He don't pass protesting, he don't even pass riot. Because I don't know as they do this kind, I beg if them those crowd, no day for that place, uncle. Now so this woman and her children would just die for that place. Fire would just burn them, smoke would just kill them. All these people, I know they understand them at all. It be like say South African people, some South African people. It be like someone that they celebrate corruption. They arrest ex-presidents because of corruption. Now I can't gather moral saying that they riot. Some people carry it in the fridge, they don't even fear, they push them. Like say they go buy market, like say that their own money they use, they go buy thief. Some even they thief coffee, thief pig. I beg now so on a poorness rich. A person go carry pig saying won't go thief. I know they don't even understand this whole matter. But it can't be like say this whole matter, he pass say they arrest this president. It be like say another matter there on top of this thing. It be like say that these people they protest on top of another matter because I know they see where now go they complain because they arrest ex-president. Now they fight constant on they shoot now they what thing they happen? Because many people don't even die on top of this whole riot what they do. So until we're supposed they're peaceful, now don't they turn to brutal and protest. I think they now come together as one say, okay, we they fight about this. How come now deaths don't they happen between people? Innocent people now when don't know anything. In fact, now they go really suffer this thing. Because as such some people they just sit down for their house, they're jelly. They mind their own business. Then this rioters are waiting and one court. They go carry themselves come. Say hey, they riot. On top of waiting. But in fact, the South African police, in fact, now don't give me joy. Because I gotta say they don't arrest more than 100 people, and that one even good. And I hope they not be only the arrest too. Those things where they go thief, people will carry television, carry them for head, like saying that they use their money pay. May they go their house, go carry all these things because it be like say thief dead and these South African people they are blood. Ordinary peaceful protest, when I don't talk into thieving competition. This one go carry the gauge who thief pass. Now one as soon as they do now things inside South Africa. Make change come. See the kind change when they bring. But as sure as they arrest these people, some people the rest where they plan say then say they won't go riot their own. Their brain they go relax. They go get small sense. They go know say okay now when they don't have they arrest people, we go. I don't know how they want to judge them. They are not prison because they're too plenty. 100 people I beg. Which kind of prison they won't carry them go. But maybe they teach them small lessons because this way they do it don't even make sense. This whole fighting and burning of places, they enter people place, they thief. It don't even get sense at all. At least now they do it for justifiable reason. I sure say now president go come outside. But because now they do it for mumu reason, I make himself don't come outside. Keep to the stand. Say okay, well, this ex-president they go dead. So I beg the things when they do, make now they watchful, make now they mind waiting now they do. Because most of them now on a character, now they lead to all this hash treatment way that they get. Later now go come outside they complain say police brutality do this one. Now na gongo now they cause waiting they happen. But my people beg I hear this one inside Saudi. I want to make a bring and come, make a service now here waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Heavy rain just storm New York City. It be like say this rain mad though. Because as we gather, they talk say this rain, it scatter everything. In fact, it don't cause trouble inside New York City. Say now people know they feel move. Train station don't block, everywhere don't choke. Nobody they feel come outside again because the kind rain way fall it is very heavy. I can't even happy say at least recently now one kind sun come outside. Where be say people clothes they burn, grass they burn and this one rain don't come for again. Now still when they complain. It means God no fit please anybody for this word. But my people, this rain way for in fact myself I surprised. Make now follow me watch.
sleeping in a trash bag. Trash bag boys. No. Don't fall. It just got filled up.
Una don't see abi? Ha! This kind of flood, I know that on a sure say no be Nigerian constructor now do this road for them, these people. Because the kind water wave, in fact, I dey surprised say people Oyinbo people, I no want us in, I no get sense. People can't use nylon, they cover body, not be even from up, from ground. Say they don't want make water touch their leg. I know people pull your shoe now, just pull your shoe, hold up, water. This one way they do like I no understand. But I beg, this rain will come for now. The matter no end. Nigeria people they blame their MTA. Say if say they spend their money wisely, do this road well. Okay, I beg, I know sure say na MTA wahala be this one. I sure say na God just pour this water. Una no even dey grateful. Make I talk and say na no dey grateful. Una dey complain say sun hot. Na no dey fit stay inside house. Swimming pool sef hot. Now small rain come for. This one be say na even normal rain inside Africa. If be say rain go dey fall, somebody go sit down for house sleep. Now somebody dey here dey complain. They come and last like this water go still go. But this flood, even Oyinbo people mean say Nigeria and some other countries better. Honestly, this water black. Even dirty water inside Lekki no dey black like this. I beg, wetin na come put inside na gutter? Wetin dey inside na drainage? Wey be say drainage come dirty water come black like this. It means say some African countries we dey even enjoy because this one just be like Nigeria part 2. Where road be like this. This one's na the abroad wey they show now. Those of na we want travel. Now they see this one at the abroad when I do they see for TV. Now they say I want travel, I know say some people say they go sit up say they want travel. Make na sure they prepare. Now the things when I go they meet this. But I know so in both people now, this one we don't even happen, they go find solution. But me, I don't reason I say I sure say something, maybe not something I don't block their drainage. Because of this one, they talk say train even got to stop. No movement, people just stop, stand by. But what one can cause because normally if rain fall. According to the reason, water they go before. So it means say something I don't block something, but something don't go happen for somewhere. Now I make this one now come they be like this. See water don't even they enter people motor, their glass. Now so the water full reach you. According to the one that the kind rain, this one don't even be 7 days rain. If 7 days rain come for the whole of New York, everywhere, even inside person's house, that means water go enter now. Now wow, this one like this now, it be like say God don't they give everybody, don't they balance. Everybody don't they receive and small. See, they happen for one country, so they happen for somewhere. Everybody don't they receive because this one will happen inside New York. Me, I even surprised. So in both sides, they feel they face this kind of katakata where they happen inside Africa. It even sweets me small. As themselves, they don't see and say, okay, now this kind of things, Africa self they enjoy. At least if we ask for something sometime, then self they will know as they want to support. Okay, now because of drainage, now we they beg. So they go know as they want to support us. My people, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come. Make a service now here. Yeah, what they happen. Anything when I film, make not forget to write down for the comment section. Make not also forget to like and share this video. I will see you on for our next video.